It's 1 a.m. and we are at the airport less than 48 hours for our second family trip. So my little tangerine and I are at Depo Jusangjoli Cliff and we are on our way down. We're not wearing Gucci.
Hi.
We're hiking in the rain in Seokji in Jeju.
You bitch that.
Big tangerine, small tangerine.
Yeah. Oh, tangerine.
Small tangerine.
Tangerine.
Yes, bye. About to begin our hike up there. Hi. So after many attempts, we finally done our mask in Jeju. This mask has traveled to several continents and countries, and finally in Korea we have brought back a Korean mask and a Japanese mask that we got as a gift from Korea and from Japan, and we finally brought it back to this part of the world to wear it.